I'm Susie Valentine with Century 21 Now Realty, your Southern California realtor, and welcome to another video. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about your California real estate market, living room design ideas, home selling advice, and home decorating tips, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Living rooms. It's where we gather to enjoy our family and friends. We all have them, and one thing is for sure, all of ours are different. There's so many options to make your living room unique to you. We all want to express our own style and individuality, and I would love to hear what your living room looks like. Please comment below. What type of flooring do you have? Do you have wood, laminate, or tile floors in your living room? Do you have short or tall baseboards? How about your wall color? Did you know different wall color can make you happier, calmer, or even make a small space look larger? Do you prefer to paint your walls dark, light, neutral, or bright? Now let's talk about wall art. Do you have photos, paintings, or other decor? I like to add mirrors because it reflects the light and really brightens up the rooms. Speaking of lighting, it can make a huge impact in your living room design. Do you prefer recessed lighting, flush lights, or ceiling fans? My favorite lighting is definitely candles. Fireplaces also add a touch of warmth and character. Do you own one in your home? Does your home have high or vaulted ceilings? How about crown molding? And what about your living room furniture? Some people prefer cozy couches while others prefer recliners. Do you have a coffee table or end table? I prefer mine to also double purpose as storage. How about entertainment? Is there a TV or stereo system, or do you prefer live musical instruments like guitars or a piano? I'm looking forward to reading each and every one of your comments. And if you want to learn more about your real estate market, home selling advice, and home decorating tips, then make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. And if you like this video, share it with a friend who loves living rooms. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Please click to watch more videos and to subscribe to my channel.